CONCOR means Container Corporation of India. Most of you know that. So it was a government company and it was backed by Indian Railways Ministry. So before going to video, I need to say please go and subscribe and follow in Instagram if you not follow us, and please click bell icon for our latest updates, and please comment and share your views on our channel and on the topic. So why I'm doing this was yesterday I seen a video. Sudha Murthy, who is the wife of chairman of Infosys, asked a question in parliamentary for railway ministers. So she asked about for railways, the coal is one of the most revenue business. So coming years, coal is going to decrease. So what is the other opportunities are you looking in the railway business? Then the minister has commented, we are going to develop other logistics, mostly end-to-end logistics. In that we are going to introduce some new type of logistics like mostly container logistics and other goods like agri commodities, urea, cement, salt, and they had MOUs like half traveled with the lorry and half traveled with the train, and they are going to increase the tracks. So before now the tracks in Indian Railways is mostly concentrated for passenger trains. Whenever the passenger train need to go, the logistic train need to stop and wait to up to it pass. So but now they are trying to build new routes separate for the logistics, which will decrease the time from traveling A point to traveling B. I will example from, if a car is manufacturing in Chennai and want to go to Mumbai or Delhi, it takes 2-3 days before, but now they are planning to cut for 1 day, and which is less price compared to the road transport. So this will help CONCOR for the future, and this is the future. This company has a lot of future in logistics. When India is going to develop more and more manufacturing services, so this company will benefit from that. So I'll quickly go through this company, and this video is only for educational purpose, not for the stock recommendations. I am going to explain more on business, what is this business going to do, and they also going to, China is the one of the dominant in container manufacturing. Recently, last 1 year back, they started manufacturing of containers as well, and they now let's see what the things they had. See, they are like e-filling, electronic filling, chart based. They have services which for the customer. They have 230 LNG trucks, and they had 56,000 containers, and they had 15 logistics parks and 67 including logistic park terminals. New initiatives recently, see business solutions, ICE battery technology, North India first LNG pump. These are the new launches in that. Atman Bharat in action. CONCOR owns containers, reaches Sharjah. They are going to tie up international things as well. So their major stakeholders are Indian Railways, Maersk, which is the shipping company, Costco Shipping, MSC. These all are the shipping companies they owned in their shareholding. So now we go for business services. They do services, see international, domestic, customer. So if you take international, they have air cargo, bonded warehousing, facility stuffing, all this type of. In domestic, they had volume, all this type of services. And if we will go for the stock now. So the market cap of the company now was at 34,569 crores as per today, and the current price, it was trading at 453, and 1 year high is 653 and 1 year low is 452. So it trading at 1 year low, and the PE was at 27. The 5 year PE was 39 and 10 year PE was 34. So it trading below the 5 year PE, and the ROC is 13.9. If you see market cap before 3 years is 40,000 crores, so it reduced its market cap, and before 5 years it was 20,000, and the debt is nearly 905, is not much for that company. And change in DIS are buying more aggressively of this company in this fall. So if you take last 3 years stock, it was below 3 years level now. And if you see their business quarterly, in December 2024 it revenue was 2208 crores, and in December 2025 2308 crores, not much increase, but there is a stable revenue. But the net profit was in the loss. Net profit is at 367 crores in December 2024. Now it was 335. But the demand and supply sometimes will be high and low, but it has a demand. If you see yearly business, there it's generating nearly 1200 crores of revenue, so which is good and reasonable, and there is not much competition for this company. If you see who owns this company, the promoter, president of Indian Ministry Railways, owns nearly 54%, and foreign investment has decreased it somewhat. And DIs or LIC owns 10% of the company, and the DI holding is nearly 28%, and the public holding is 7%. And if you go to the how CONCOR dominates, the market share of the company is 53%. In this business, their market share is 53%, and it's a government backed company. And infrastructure, it has developed market leader in the built of first mover advantage, and it has 61 inland container depots. It's nothing but a ports type, inland ports. And financial strength, it double stack train, I already explained it. With the plans launched to double stack container trains from Odura, CONCOR aims to transport 180 countries in single journey, significantly reducing cost. There are some private players as well, like Adani and Gateway Logistics, but it is the first come first advantage will be always there. So future growth, there is dedicated freight corridors. The government is going to expand freight corridors significantly, and double stack of train expansion, multimodal logistics, and new business segments. It has signed with Dubai and some international things. If you see, the valuations, some analysts say Motilal Oswal says 39% upside, Jeffries says 35%, and Morgan Stanley was underweight. But if you consider PE with other logistics sector, it was cheap, and the profit growth is decline, I already explained, and the revenue growth is not much change, debt is nearly zero, and ROE was 10% acceptable because it's a single largest player. Free cash flow is declining. Market trend, market share 75%. It was decreased, but it was enough market. If India grows from 4 trillion to 8 trillion, the market share, if it has 50%, but the revenue will increase. And dividend yield at current price is 3.34, attractive. In bull case, it looks cheap. In bear case, the earnings need to be overcome. For long-term buyers who want to be buying for waiting to buy and wait for 3-4 years, who will wait for 3-4 years, this company will give returns, and is, as per my point of view, most of the government stocks has given tremendous return, not this one. So I'm hoping future logistics market was in the cheap valuations. I think logistics has future for it, because the AI can't disturb, and logistics is needed for a country like 1.4 billion people, and our exports was increasing, our imports was increasing. However, this company will benefit in future. So hope you like this video. I am thinking, please subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Bye.